video, I would like to share my new digital print that is available in my Etsy store. I'm going to write the link in the description below. This lovely clock ephemeras reminds me of being a young girl, and that's that summer in my grandma's farm, learning how to read and tell time in 3 different languages. Those were fun times. I was young back then, and I'm eager to learn and curious. Now that I'm older and wiser and smarter, I recreated them just to go back on those times. Makes me nice. It's nice. They come with 3 different sizes, so large, medium, and small. These are the small. I believe the small size are 2.3 inches by 2.3 inches. I think these are 3.2 inches, and then these are almost 4 inches, 4 by 4, almost. I'm gonna write the exact size, approximate size in the description below. These are versatile ephemeras. They can use for junk journals, journaling projects, or any scrapbooking projects, paper crafting projects. They can be added as they are, or they can be added like notes, because you can write on the back. Or you could add them as a gift tags. Sky's the limit. They come with a holder, with the matching holder. So these are for the large and the medium and the small. Let's just go see the large one. So the large are, I have 4 of them, so I match them with the flowers. Add them, and if you want, you can add, like, if you want to add more or notes, add them, or you can put it in the back. You can put pictures, wherever you want them. So this one for and that. So then the smaller size are this. It comes with a PDF and a PNG in a zip file, and it comes with, I can't remember how many pages. I think it's 9 pages, because these are large, so some of them are like, actually I think 2 of them and the little small ones are in 1 page. Yeah, you just have to find the matching flowers. And then our medium, I enjoy that. I like those colors. There you go. Thanks for watching. These are available in my Etsy store at Dainty Lilies. Thank you.